The oscillation of your body on a smooth horizontal surface is represented by the equation x is equal to a cos omega t, where x is equal to displacement at a time t, w is equal to frequency of oscillation. Which one of the following graph shows correctly the variation of a with the t? Out of these four graphs, which graph is perfect? We need to find out. We know that is given x is equal to a cos omega t, a cos of omega t. Then the velocity we can write v is equal to dx by dt. Velocity is equal to displacement by time taken. Then if I'm going to differentiate this x with respect to t, then I'm getting the answer d by dt of if cos of omega t, which is equal to, I'm getting the answer, minus a omega sine omega t. Then, now if I'm going to find the acceleration here, that is acceleration is equal to velocity by time taken. Acceleration is velocity by time taken, that is dv by dt. dv by dt is equal to, then we can write d by dt of minus a omega sine of omega t. Then we get the answer a is equal to minus a omega square cos omega t. Since here the velocity and acceleration is minus, then it will starts with the minus, that is the minus, and velocity is also in terms of minus and acceleration is also in terms of minus. This we can see in the option number C. Option C is the right answer.